Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this semicircle with the center O and this yellow quarter circle put together, as you can see in this given diagram, where the radius of this yellow quarter circle is 8 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this purple shaded region. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this yellow quarter circle. And we can see this is the radius of this quarter circle. And likewise, this is the radius of this quarter circle as well. And both of them are 8 units. So therefore, this quarter circle radius is going to be equal to 8 units. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this semicircle with the center O. We can see this AO is the radius of this semicircle. I'm going to label that one as lowercase r. And likewise, this OC length as radius lowercase r as well. Therefore, now our task is to calculate the value of this radius lowercase r. And now let's focus on this right triangle ABC. And now let's make an observation. We can see this hypotenuse AC is going to be lowercase r plus lowercase r is going to give us 2 times r. And we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our two legs are 8 and 8, and our hypotenuse is 2 times r. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got 8 square plus 8 square equals to 2 times r whole square. Let's simplify. That is going to give us 64 plus 64 equals to 4 times r square. Let's add these numbers. That is going to give us 128 equals to 4 times r square. And now we are going to divide both sides by 4. This 4 and 4 is gone. So therefore, our r square value turns out to be 32. And now I am going to undo this square by taking the square root on both sides, and here we can see square and square root undo each other. So therefore, our radius lowercase r is going to be equal to 4 times square root of 2 units. So therefore, our semicircle radius turns out to be 4 times square root of 2 units. So therefore, this radius r is going to be 4 times square root of 2, and likewise this radius r is 4 times square root of 2 as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see the purple shaded region area. We are talking about this purple shaded region area is going to be equal to the semicircle area. We are talking about this whole semicircle area plus the area of the triangle ABC. We are talking about this triangle ABC area minus the yellow quarter circle area. We are talking about this yellow quarter circle area, as you can see in this given equation. So therefore, now our task is to calculate the area of this semicircle, the area of the triangle ABC, and finally we are going to calculate the area of this yellow quarter circle as well. And now we are going to calculate the area of the semicircle. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area equals to pi r square, where r is the radius of this semicircle. So therefore, the semicircle area is going to become pi r square, and we are going to divide it by 2. And in our case, the semicircle radius is 4 times square root of 2. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So we got pi divided by 2 times 4 times square root of 2 whole square. And now we know that 4 times square root of 2 whole square is 32. So therefore, if we simplify, we are going to get pi divided by 2 times 32, and that is going to be equal to 16 times pi. So therefore, the semicircle area turns out to be 16 times pi. And likewise, we are going to calculate the area of this yellow quarter circle. And now once again, let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area equals to pi r square. And since we are dealing with the quarter circle, so the area of this quarter circle formula is going to be pi r square divided by 4. And we can see the quarter circle radius is 8. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So it's going to be pi divided by 4 times our radius is 8 whole square. Let's simplify furthermore the right hand side. We got pi divided by 4 times 64, and if we simplify furthermore, that is going to give us 16 times pi. So therefore, the quarter circle area turns out to be 16 pi square units as well. And in this next step, we are going to calculate the area of this right triangle ABC. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times base times the height. And in our case, the base of this triangle is 8, whereas the height of this triangle ABC is 8 as well. So therefore, the area of this triangle ABC is going to be a half times our base is 8 times our height is 8 as well. And if we simplify everything on the right hand side, that is going to give us 32. So thus the triangle ABC area turns out to be 32. And here's our final step. Let's recall this equation once again. We know the purple shaded area is equal to the area of the semicircle that we figured it out as 16 pi plus the area of the triangle ABC, which is 32, and minus the area of this yellow quarter circle, which is 16 pi. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this equation. So we are going to write down 16 pi plus 32 minus 16 pi. And now we can see this negative 16 pi and this 16 pi, they cancel each other out. So therefore, our purple shaded area turns out to be 32 square units. So thus the purple shaded region area turns out to be 32 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.